Dr. Busiku, the first question is for you. What have been the key challenges in the implementation of the scorecard in Zambia? And what advice do you have for other countries?
So one of the key challenges that we have experienced with using the scorecard has been the issue of around connectivity, actually. We do have challenges with internet connectivity across the country. And this affects how we can access the tool. However, when we raised this with the developers, they were able to assist us because the tool has a functionality of you being able to download your work plan, and you can have an update in terms of your progress and where you are with your program implementation. So that has really been very, very helpful, and has helped us overcome that particular challenge of connectivity. With regard to advice to other countries, I would advise other countries to use this particular platform. It helps you track your program implementation. It helps you track your key indicators. And this is very important because at any given time, it's important for us to know where we are with regards to our malaria programming. And it allows us to then address any challenges almost in real time. And the fact that it is web-based and it is available to the broad partnership, it allows also for other partners to see what is happening and be able to either suggest solutions or be able to come in and address that particular issue that has risen. And it is done in collectively. Additionally, it allows for this transparency across the program. My additional advice to countries is try it and use it, and let it just be something that is used as part of your daily management approach. We use it every month to be able to check the program performance for all the thematic areas, and then we are able to get responses as to why certain activities are not happening or as to why certain challenges have arisen. And this, we then begin to brainstorm, figure out together, and plot a way forward. And this is also done not only at a central level with the NMEC, but also at provincial as well as district level.
Joy, this question has been asked many times. Why do you think it's so critical for countries to share their scorecards on the hub?
There is full evidence-based appreciation that infectious diseases pose a real threat to health and overall success of the economies at community and national and global level. The scorecard tool uses data to measure the burden of disease, like malaria, neglected tropical diseases, and others, as well as their toll on the social and economic development of communities, and therefore of the continent. Using the scorecard management tool allows everyone to track progress and keeps managers and leaders at all levels accountable. I invite more countries to share their data on this innovative platform, which is redefining country collaboration and helping drive the digital revolution in health across the continent. It is only by using real-time data that we can identify bottlenecks early, allowing us to take action. This will also enhance our ability to course correct and to also respond to future pandemics, enhancing our pandemic preparedness and response.
So this question is for Melanie. Dr. Melanie Renshaw serves as Alma's Chief Technical Advisor, and she oversees all of the work of the Alma technical team, including the development of the Alma Scorecard for Action and Accountability, the support to the country RMNCH and malaria scorecards, and the malaria councils. Dr. Renshaw also serves as co-chair of the RBM Country and Regional Support Partner Committee. So Melanie, this question was for you. A lot of people asked, why did Alma create a scorecard maturity framework? Why this tool?
At Alma, we designed the Scorecard Maturity tool to help countries to assess how their scorecards are performing against scorecard best practices, and also to help them then to determine what the next steps are to further enhance the institutionalization of their scorecards. By completing simple questions, the tool then recommends key next steps in the use of the scorecard. For example, it's used as a management tool, in decentralization, in public sharing, in institutionalization, and political level advocacy. These example next steps are based on positive country experiences to date. So the nice thing about the scorecard tool is it allows countries to learn from more mature and advanced scorecard tools in their neighbouring countries, and then it allows countries to track their own progress in a systematic way over time.
Diego, I just want to ask you, why do you think countries should complete a self-assessment on the Scorecard Maturity tool?
There's actually a lot of value in doing a self-assessment because the scorecard maturity framework allows you to really identify what are the things that the country must work on in order to further institutionalize the tool. So this might include opportunities to strengthen the use of the action tracker to ensure that the data is used for action. This may include training members of parliament or high-level actors. And so the scorecard maturity tool allows you to really assess where are your gaps in scorecard implementation. And then there are very clear recommendations which will allow you to sort of develop a roadmap with next steps for your scorecard, which Alma, of course, would be happy to help with implementing. So actually, the scorecard maturity assessment tool can add great value to reflecting on what opportunities exist to further strengthen your scorecard.